Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Blockman Go account to Google or Facebook. Linking your account is important to protect your data and recover your progress and play across devices, so follow these steps. First of all, launch open Blockman Go application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page of Blockman Go, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in your profile section. Once you end up in your profile section, scroll all the way down and tap on Security. Once you open up the Security tab, toggle on the button right next to Google and sign in using your Google account's credentials. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to bind Blockman Go with Google account. Similarly, toggle on the button right next to Facebook and it'll take you to the Facebook login page. Go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credential, and once you are logged in, tap on the Continue button at the bottom to bind in Blockman Go with Facebook as well. Now once you do that, your Blockman Go account is secured and can be restored if you switch phones or reinstall the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.